What's going on, guys? I'm back up here at my parents' house and just went out and did a little rip in Dad's DF Goblin. So my brother's here. He's going to give us a little rundown on it. So here we go. All right, this is my brother Jared.
Okay.
He's going to give us a rundown on this thing.
So this is a 2018 DF Goblin. It's DF is a company from Texas that makes these little kit cars that use Cobalt SS as the donors. So just about everything on this comes off a Cobalt SS or is straight up from the people DF, with a couple little custom things made by the builder, which is my dad's buddy Luke, or our dad's buddy Luke. He was a GM tech for like 40 years, and he always wanted to build some kind of kit car, and these were a cool thing that I guess he wanted to mess with. So it uses mostly Cobalt stuff. So we had an 09 Cobalt that was wrecked as a donor, or I guess Luke's was wrecked, ours wasn't. It's got a 2-liter LNF, which is the turboed Cobalt SS motor with a 5-speed, and it's got Cobalt hubs, Cobalt center console, steering, A-arms, and I guess everything else is, just about everything else other than the powertrain is DF. So it comes with, the front A-arms are all DF. You know, the fenders that you have to have for PA, DF. The bumper we designed and made ourselves. Same with the rear bumper, and the wing we just bought. It's I don't think it's an APR wing, I think it's kind of an off-road. And we got the coilovers on it, aftermarket coilovers, so you can actually go through and tune it to handle with about half the weight that regular Cobalt would have. Final weight is about 1650, 300 horsepower, because there were a couple mods made to the Cobalt before it went in here. It's got the works. The roll hoop was a little bit short, so your head came out of plane a little bit, so we extended it, and we put these marine grade speakers in it. It's got speakers also in the inside, which are our own modifications, and it's got a GPS and CarPlay thing on it, so you can be jamming to music as you're cruising down the highway. We of course have these massive side-by-side whip lights on it.
Yeah, can we fire those up?
Yeah. So they're straight up off a side-by-side. You can change them, you know, do the showy, any color type of stuff, but we usually leave them on red for cruising down the road. Make us a little more noticeable, a little less likely to get, you know, run over by a semi or something. But yeah, the primary purpose of it is to cruise around, and I autocross it a little bit. It gets sketchy up above 100, so it's not a super great track car, at least the way that we have it set up. There's probably a little bit more adjustment we can do to the coilovers, make it a little bit more stable at high speeds, but it's just a ton of power all in the back of it that it keeps trying to lift the front wheels a little too much, considering there's no weight to hold it down in the front.
Right. Yeah, and this thing is all PA inspected. Totally legal for driving on the road. I mean, you can drive this thing on the highway next to a semi truck and feel extremely small, but it is all completely legal. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put some clips in of us doing a couple little pulls in this thing, and enjoy.